very important. It's one of the most important practical skills you have to learn. And there are 3 rules. Non-compliance to any one of these 3 rules will lead to the mark 2 without any possibility to recover within 3 years. Is this clear? So you have to comply with these rules. If not complying, 3 years without propedeutics. What are these rules? What is important by auscultation of the heart to do?
Must be on skin, not on the shirt.
Hmm?
Must auscultate through the skin, not the shirt.
No, this is general for auscultation, not for the heart.
Differentiate between heart and lung sound.
Find the apex Y.
Both have the strongest sound.
Because what?
Have the loudest and the strongest heart sound.
Can you understand? Yes. Can you translate it for me? No, I cannot understand.
Very loud sound at the apex.
Please check up what?
Very loud at the apex. The sound.
Where we loud.
Very.
Ah, very loud.
Ah,
What is very loud?
the sound, heart sound.
So what?
So we start from the apex.
Three rules. First, before you apply the bell on the patient's surface, you must find exactly the point of auscultation. Second rule, during auscultation, you must palpate the carotid artery. And third rule, auscultation of the heart must be performed by quiet breathing, and then, after the patient stops breathing, on expiration. How to find the point? You must know the location of all points of auscultation. The first point is the apical beat. You palpate the apical beat, as we already know. Apical impulse. Second point of auscultation is second intercostal space on the right border of sternum. The third point of auscultation is the second intercostal space on the left border of sternum. The fourth point of auscultation is the base of the xiphoid process. But in most patients, the shape of the chest is that is such that we cannot apply the bell tightly here. So we apply a bit right and a bit left from this point. If you want to use an additional auscultation point for aortic valve, can be called fifth intercostal space, you found fourth rib with its place where it conducts the sternum. Fourth intercostal space. How to find the carotid artery? you go along the mandible to the anterior surface of the musculus sternocleidomastoidus, and you will feel here carotid artery. Go like this and feel. Don't put your hand in this manner into the patient's throat, neck. It's not comfortable. Just like this. So, the auscultation itself is very easy, but what is most important and not easy is to evaluate what you hear. Find the place, the point. And what happens if you cannot find the apex? So instead,
Duration is
duration of the patient.
duration of the palm.
What?
The palm view where they stand.
You already put for the full area.
There is no.
And you cannot find what to do. To place in fifth intercostal space by linear intercostal line symmetry. Then palpate carotis. Breathe in, breathe out, stop. Continue. Find the point. Palpate carotis. Breathe in, breathe out, stop. Continue. Find the point. Palpate carotis. Breathe in, breathe out, stop. Go back into second point for a while. Continue breathing. Find the place. Palpate carotis. Breathe in, breathe out, stop. Right. Right. Continue. This is a base of auscultation of the heart. Of course, the more skilled auscultation includes some other things, like auscultation with bending for aortic valve, auscultation on the left side for mitral valve, and some other. Actually, there are not the points of auscultation, but areas of auscultation, with aortic area from carotid artery to this. This is area for aortic valve. This is area for tricuspid valve. This is area for mitral valve. This is area for pulmonary valve. Actually, there are areas, not the points. But we begin with points, and you have to be able to evaluate the auscultation picture on these points first. What is the conclusion? conclusion for auscultation is very easy in form, but needs a lot of your skills. You describe just what you hear. 5 points of auscultation. In each point of auscultation, you have to describe the basic point as a basic sound, extra sounds, and marmos. At the end of conclusion or in the beginning of conclusion, you have to